start again. And just when I thank the Lord, you grab a knife and cut the cord. These days, I'd rather just pretend that on the weekend I'm a star, hit up the bars, but I'm in the deep end. You got me underwater, drowning in myself tonight. I swim towards the surface, peeking through the light. I found a pocket of air. Your hand's not there, so I reach for a jack instead. And I dream one shot, two shots, three shots, four, and then I'll blow your phone up till my heart hits the floor. Mr. Bartender, please get her off my mind. Running out of ways to drown the pain. Damn it, I need one shot, two shots, three shots more to stop me feeling lonely like every night before. Mr. Bartender, goddamn, don't give me no half measures. I'm tired of love turning to dust, trying to lose the taste of us. Way down this road of you and me, I realize I missed the signs, ignored the evil in your eyes. I'm not ready to stop thinking of you, whilst it's pretty clear to see that you never thought of me. So I drink one shot, two shots, three shots, four, and then I'll blow your phone up till my heart hits the floor. Mr. Bartender, please get her off my mind. Running out of ways to drown the pain. Damn it, I need one shot, two shots, three shots more to stop me feeling lonely like every night before. Mr. Bartender, goddamn, don't give me no half measures. I'm tired of love turning to dust, trying to lose the taste of us. I drink one shot, two shots, three shots, four,